For most local businesses out there, they do not actually have a sourcing problem. In reality, they have a massive workflow problem. A cafe owner might buy from 4 or 5 different suppliers before the lunch rush even hits. That means piecing together weekly purchasing through scattered text threads, emailed PDFs, late-night follow-ups, and a stack of invoices that never arrive in the same format twice. The true cost of this fragmentation is focus. Operators end up spending their energy managing procurement mechanics instead of working on menu quality, staffing, or the customer experience. This administrative sprawl is the primary barrier keeping businesses from buying locally. When sourcing lives across inboxes and disconnected vendor systems, it creates a hidden tax on resources. Teams lose hours every week chasing down availability and checking if a delivery is on schedule. This animated flowchart shows what a single daily reorder looks like under this system. We can track one buyer's request splitting into 5 distinct unlinked vendor paths, ending in completely disconnected endpoints. Every isolated path introduces a chance for error. Reconciling totals across these mismatched formats wastes time and introduces mistakes that compound over the month. Business owners are forced to burn their critical energy navigating these mechanics instead of driving actual business growth. Lem Loop brings that local sourcing into one structured workflow. It is a single interface designed specifically for daily use. We see how the geometry changes. The software collapses scattered communication chains, routing 5 distinct vendor paths into a single centralized intake channel. Instead of managing separate billing systems, it generates exactly one unified invoice record. Buyers can discover suppliers, compare options, request products, and manage their orders without ever switching context. The result is a local procurement process that is as clear and manageable as modern enterprise buying, without stripping away the relationships that make local commerce valuable. Underneath this interface is an invisible engine called embedded fintech, financial technology integrated directly into the software, which secures the trust between local buyers and suppliers. By combining batched delivery with secure payment systems, the platform provides the strict dependability that finance and procurement teams require. A proper sourcing platform removes complexity from the background. Business owners should not have to become procurement specialists just to buy their ingredients. When product data, communication, and order history live in one place, daily operations accelerate. Removing that administrative burden improves both the speed and the quality of an operator's decision-making. This diagram outlines the final structure, a shift from a fragmented web to continuous local circulation. The infinity loop keeps data inputs moving without dead ends, while a trustworthy retriever fetches and transfers goods smoothly between nodes. When local procurement feels faster and cleaner than the status quo, businesses choose to buy locally more often. This ease of use guarantees that capital continues circulating within the community, building sustainable value for small suppliers and buyers alike. Combining community relationships with enterprise efficiency moves local operations away from manual coordination and toward a predictable, scalable system. This map of Austin illustrates how the system scales. A network of connected hubs allows resources to flow evenly and continuously, turning isolated buyers and suppliers into a resilient economic network. By solving the workflow problem, Lem Loop ensures that choosing a local supplier is the most practical and reliable way to run a business.